How are you?
I'm so well, and how are you doing, ma'am?
So excited to be here.
Wow, I mean, this is another space. I mean, this is one of the conferences that I feel like saying, wow,
Exactly.
yeah.
And what's wonderful about this conference is the whole, with everything that's happening in blockchain, bringing our brothers and sisters from the continent to us here in America and talking about the creative space that we're creating, what services we're putting forth. So this is the possibility of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency, right? It's very global, it's borderless, but it's really about finding solutions to the problems that we all face, regardless of what continent we're on.
Yeah, I mean, very beautiful. I mean, I was just talking to you a few minutes back, and you were talking about your decentralized social network. I mean, for people who are like activists, I mean, I can think activists, I can think the words that they share and all that, and you are creating this marvelous solution that just shows how big the blockchain is, and then it goes back also to the conference that we are here for, the Black Blockchain Summit. How do you think your social network, can, make a difference in the lives of the people that we're talking about today?
Well, I'm thrilled to be here at the inaugural Black Blockchain Summit. I think it's so important because one of the things we have to do in this space is build community, right? And for me, as you shared, I'm building a social network on blockchain exclusively for activists. I'm leveraging Ethereum, but my goal is to create a space where activists do not have to battle trolls, where they don't have to face censorship, but also a peer-to-peer open network that is global, where if you're a activist in Botswana and you want to connect with activists in LA, you can, and you can do it around this whole issue of how do we make the world a better place, but how do we relate to as people as well. Now, I'm thrilled to be at this conference. I moderated a panel earlier today focused on bringing culture to this decentralized future that we're creating. It was so wonderful to be on a panel with these dynamic, blockchain evangelists who are really disrupting the creative space, content creators. And we know the value there, right? For content creators, blockchain allows you to have ownership over your creatives, your distribution, and also your capacity to monetize.
Wow. I mean, it's beautiful. I don't know what to say to St. Clair and his team for this beautiful summit that they have pulled. I want you maybe to say maybe the last word to talk about the conference. I mean, focus only on what these guys have pulled. What do you think of this conference? I mean, as your last word for our interview.
Well, I want to commend BitMari and BitHub Africa for co-hosting the conference. I think Sinclair Skinner and John Karanja have done a phenomenal job. I'm part of the New York blockchain space. We have a lot of conferences, but there's not a lot of diversity there. So for me, this was my first conference where it was focused on people of color, right? It was focused on people of African descent, whether we're in the diaspora, and I'm Haitian, or whether you're on the continent. This conference is significant because Black people all over the world, we tend to be late adapters. We know in this space, cryptocurrency and blockchain, that can revolutionize our economy, our society. We can't afford to be late adapters. So this conference is an important first step to introduce the space to average people. And we're here at Howard University, my alma mater. So it's wonderful. At Howard, it has really been the mecca in terms of advancing thought leadership among people of color, Black people all over the world. So for me, this conference was really important. 2 days to connect with the other people all over the world who are working on blockchain and cryptocurrency, to think through some solutions, some problems, but really important to plant the seeds. And one of the thrilling things for me was to meet you. Oh my God, the work that you're doing on the continent, I will tell you, being part of the New York blockchain space, there's not a lot of Black faces, but the Black faces I always see are Africans. And they're not just present, they're at the table. They've created these powerful solutions, and they're leading the charge. So this is such a thrill for me to see these people at these conferences. This is an opportunity for Blacks in the diaspora to really learn from our brothers and sisters in Africa who have really leveraged STEM careers and are pioneering in this space of blockchain and cryptocurrency. So thank you for the work you're doing. It actually makes it easier for not just women in blockchain, but people of color in blockchain as well.
Wow, thank you so much. I mean, I had a very great talk with you. That is amazing, and I hope to keep in touch and keep on doing that great work. And I'm looking forward to that social media, social platform network.
Called Logos.
Logos. I'm looking forward. Logos as in weird, awesome. I mean, it's amazing. I mean, I'm looking forward to that. And great job, sister. Great job. Great job.
Thank
you very much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.